Hey guys, can I be real for a second? We're tired, seriously. Just look down at your hand right now. Look at your wrist. Now look at that tiny pinky finger, the one holding up your phone from the bottom like a little construction worker. And these things we call phones. Let's be honest, they're not phones anymore. They're 7-inch televisions we've shoved into our pockets. And they're literally peeking out of our jeans like mischievous kids trying to run away from home. You know what I'm talking about. You try to take a selfie, and you need 2 hands and a prayer. This is 2026. Technology has given us everything. Smart cameras that see in the dark. AI that writes emails for us. Screens that fold like origami. We have everything, except peace of mind. Because right now, the market isn't selling phones anymore. They're selling pocket tablets. Companies keep promising a cinematic experience. But in reality, they're just weighing down our pockets and breaking our pinkies. We aren't carrying phones anymore. We're carrying bricks. But here's the thing about history. It has a funny way of repeating itself. When the whole world runs blindly in one direction, screaming bigger, 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 there's always one company that stands still. One Japanese giant that refuses to follow the crowd. Tradition, stubbornness, and a little bit of magic. Sony. And guess what? Sony just did what the entire industry called impossible. They chose perfection over fashion. They chose your hand over a spec sheet. So without wasting a single second, let me introduce you to the most powerful, most compact, and most magical flagship of 2026. This is the Sony Xperia Compact 2026. Design and display. Take this phone in your hand. Just once. You won't believe someone built this in 2026. It has a 5.75-inch display. Yeah, you heard me right, 5.75 inches. In an era where that number sounds like a joke, right? The real joke is how we traded comfort for big numbers. But Sony didn't cut corners. They didn't use cheap aluminum or plastic. This is grade 5 titanium. The same material used in aerospace engineering. Rockets, space shuttles. Translation, it's light, it's tough. And when you hold it, it doesn't feel like a burden. It feels like an extension of your palm. Just 145 grams. Think about that. Most phones today are over 200 grams. They feel like doorstops. Sony gives you a titanium body at 145 grams. This phone disappears in your pocket. You forget you're carrying it. And now, the real miracle. Sony packed a display inside this tiny body that puts big phones to shame. This is the world's first 5.75-inch 4K HDR OLED panel. Let me repeat that, 4K, on a screen this small. When you watch a movie on this, you won't see pixels. You'll see reality. Sony's Bravia XR technology makes colors so vibrant, you'll feel like you're in a cinema hall. And for the gamers, a 144Hz refresh rate with a 390Hz touch sampling rate. The moment you touch the screen, the phone reads your mind. Scrolling is so buttery smooth, you'll just want to keep swiping for no reason. This isn't a phone. It's a masterpiece. The camera magic. Now let's talk about the camera. The department where Sony has no competition. Look closely at the back. No crowd of lenses. Not 3, not 4, just one lens. Because Sony believes in muscle, not numbers. This is a 50 megapixel, 1-inch XMOR-T for mobile sensor. The same sensor used in professional vlogging cameras. It absorbs so much light that if you take a photo at 2 a.m. in a dark alley, it'll look like it was shot in broad daylight. And here's the real magic. The thing nobody else is doing. An actual optical zoom mechanism. Glass elements physically move inside the lens. From 3x to 10x with zero quality loss. You know what that means. You could be sitting in the last row of a stadium, in the pouring rain, and you'll still see every bead of sweat on the player's face. Sony's Alpha camera team gave it real-time IAF. Human, animal, bird, cat, it locks onto eyes like a laser. And 30 frames per second burst shooting. A bird taking off, you won't even miss its blink. This camera isn't a camera. It's a studio hiding in your pocket. Performance, the pocket supercomputer. Now let's talk about the heart. The brain. Inside this Sony is the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset. The most powerful processor of 2026. Paired with 16 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage. This isn't a phone. It's a supercomputer in your pocket. 50 heavy apps open at once. Not a single hiccup. And heat. Oh, you know the problem. Some phones turn into frying pans after 5 minutes of gaming. Sony put a nanocarbon cooling system inside. You can shoot 4K video for hours or play high graphics games all night. This phone stays cool. Performance never drops. Software. Sony kept it simple. Android 16, completely pure. No bloatware, no ads, no useless apps you can't delete. Just a few professional tools like Video Pro, Photo Pro, and Cinema Pro. That's it, the battery revolution. You're probably thinking, alright, that sounds amazing. But what about battery life? Small phone means small battery, right? This is where Sony dropped the biggest tech bomb of 2026. This is not a lithium-ion battery. This is a solid-state battery. Safer, denser, more powerful than anything before it. That's how Sony fit a 5000 mAh battery into this tiny titanium frame. But wait, there's more. Because the screen is only 5.75 inches, it consumes 40% less power than bigger screens. Do the math. One charge, 2 days. Yes, 2 full days. You charge it on Monday morning. You don't even look for a charger until Wednesday night. And when you do need to charge, 100-watt hypercharge, a full day of power in just 15 minutes. The sole features, why Sony is different. But here's what truly sets Sony apart. The sole features. Look around. Every company removed the headphone jack. Go wireless, they say. But Sony knows the value of high-res audio. For music lovers, for audiophiles, for people who still own wired headphones that cost more than a TV. That's why even on this compact phone, they kept the headphone jack. And a micro SD card slot. Expandable up to 1 terabyte. Stereo speakers, dual front-facing, full stereo with Dolby Atmos. When you watch a movie, sound moves around you like you're inside the scene. These little things, they're what turn a gadget into a companion. Price, launch and the final verdict. Now the big question, the one you've been waiting for. With all this, titanium body, 4K display, 1-inch sensor, optical zoom, solid-state battery, 16 GB of RAM, what's the price? Let me be straight with you. The Sony Xperia Compact 2026 is not a mass-market phone. It's not for everyone. It's for people who understand technology and appreciate it. For people who want to control their world with one hand. For people whose hands don't hurt at the end of the day. For people who want their phone in their pocket, not sticking out of their thigh like a flag. The price? Around $700. Yes, it's premium. Yes, it's not cheap. But the experience it gives you. The peace. The comfort of holding something that feels like it was made for a human being, not a giant. That's priceless. Sony didn't just launch a phone. They made a statement. They proved that bigger isn't always better. Right is better. Sony proved it once again. Being small isn't a weakness. It can be your greatest strength. This phone isn't just a device. It's a reminder that we are the controllers of our lives. Not our phones. So I'll ask you, are you ready to be part of this compact revolution? Let me know in the comments.